Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. J. We've been doing this work a long time, you and I. You know, every Monday we have our free chakra energy balancing for the public. It is free. Of course, we do accept donations, but we start on Mondays at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific time. And it is our service to the world community. And we have people from Japan to England who join us, regardless of their time zone. They join us at our time zone. And we're happy to do the work. The work is basically energy balancing, followed by some assessments that help you to empower yourself. So we hope that you will come and join us. We are every Monday from 6 to 8 p.m. Pacific time. Also, this Thursday, which is January 19th, I will be doing a past lives, karma, and reincarnation workshop. I so enjoy doing these workshops because they are so empowering. First part of the workshop, about a 1 hour lecture, which is this distillation of 30 years of teaching and training in past lives, karma, and reincarnation. I'll give you lots of informative information. Informative information, that's pretty good. And lots of case histories, examples. And then after that, I'll be doing evaluations for each person, giving you a relevant and pertinent past life as it affects this one. Also, all of that will be recorded for you. So if you'd like to attend, just follow the information below in this newsletter. And I look forward to seeing you. We also have other events this month. We have an open house at the Bamboo Garden Wellness Center. That is part of Light News Institute, and that will be Sunday, January 22nd at 3 p.m. So you're welcome to come in person in Encinitas, California. And then after that, later in the month, we're going to have an introduction to energy medicine, which is a precursor to my full-on course in integrative chakra therapy, which is what we do every Monday night. But if you're interested in learning the basics of energy medicine, if you're interested in becoming a practitioner, even going all the way to instructor, then this is the course for you. So if you have an interest, please do let me know. We will always be putting on more events as time goes by. It is our service to the public, and I hope to see you soon. I hope you're having a great week. Thank you.